Hey guys, it's Jay Macklin over here at Platinum Living Realty here in Scottsdale, Arizona. About 4 years ago, I had posted a video on YouTube about my shock and awe package. I have a new one, and I thought I would update this, and I would show you exactly what's in the new shock and awe package. So, without further ado, a lot of you guys asked what was in it, what's in there. This is a package that we send to sellers before we meet with them at the listing appointment, and this goes out in a FedEx box. I didn't bring a FedEx box with me, but it brings we put it in either a UPS box or a FedEx box. And the reason I do that is because there's an emotional release in a person's brain when they get this package in the mail, and it's kind of exciting. Every time I buy stuff, you guys know I love leather, so I buy leather things like you wouldn't believe. I'm hooked on these Moleskine, whatever you call those leather books. Anyway, so the reason we put those in a package is because we want them to open them. Okay, here we go. So as the seller gets this, as you open it up, of course, we've added a really cool note. It's going to be a little hard to see on this video, but it's just a really cool note card that we've got through mood.com. We have our own wax seal stamp that we created through a company called Nostalgic Impressions. We bought that, which is pretty cool. I'm not pushing them, that's just where I got it, because I know that's where the answers or questions are going to come. Where'd you get this? Where'd you get this? So these we got from mood.com, that from Nostalgic Impressions. Okay, here comes the fun part. As soon as they open this up, hopefully they're going to get this really cool letter, and this letter is also letterhead through mood.com, and you can put whatever you want on there, and so that's an introduction letter. This is the cool part here. This is a video card that I got through a company called CheerTrend, CheerTrend.com. They're out of China. They're about $20 to $25 a piece, but as they open it up, your video plays.
Success for me is watching my agents grow in a way that they've never grown before. When they come to me...
Okay, so I'm going to shut that, but you could have any video in here you want. You could do like a B-roll video of you introducing yourself. Hey, Mr. and Mrs. Jones, this is Jay. I just want to say hi. I just want to let you know about all the stuff that you're about to look at here in this package, and then it would roll into maybe a lifestyle video like this is here. But these are completely printed. You can have them printed as many as you want. You can also do different, I think you can also do different sizes. This one's a 5-inch HD screen. You can do a 4-inch non-HD. You can do a small business card one. You can also do the bigger ones, which I have as well. Good friend of mine up in Vancouver, Faith Wilson, she's a phenomenal, if you guys are in Vancouver, you guys got to use her. She is one of the best agents I've ever seen in my life. So anyway, she did this for one of her properties, a $26 million estate. This is the 10-inch display HD video. Absolutely incredible. This thing is just, it's thick paper. It is crazy beautiful. Like, this thing is just amazing. And the video that they put together on this property, it will blow any seller away. So anyway, that's very, very cool. Anyway, that's one of them. Okay. So as they get that, then they get the On the Road to Sold, right? Talks about what we do for them, all the things that we provide, who hires us, VIP seller satisfaction guarantee, and this kind of goes through as an overview. Also talks a little bit more about our marketing, but then that's just a little highlight. Then it goes into the actual marketing guide. I stole this from one of my agents, so sorry guys, I'm using this as a display. But what it does, it goes in and it talks about all the different marketing steps, the 29-step marketing plan, and it talks about all the different things we're going to do to help them get their home sold, the exposure, where it goes, email, YouTube, Facebook, national advertising, international advertising, and it talks all about all the different marketing steps and what to expect from the agents and who we are. Okay, then this comes our 200-step action plan. This book here is a 200-step action plan that talks about all the things that we do to help get their home sold. Now, the reason I did this is I created this because I was at a listing presentation at one point, and the person I was talking to never really understood what I did for them, and I thought, well, shame on them. I never really told them. So I went back and I actually highlighted the 200 steps of all the things that we do, from research the tax records to determine how quickly your home's going to sell based on the comparables, like 1 through 200. You don't have to create 200. As long as you have at least 50, I think you're in good shape. So somebody's desire to go through this and read each one of them would be a high C personality. But the reason I wanted to do that, so I could really articulate the value of what we bring to the table and what we actually do to get a home sold. A lot of sellers don't realize how much work it takes. Now, the one thing I would probably do next is on the right-hand side is itemize the time and then the monetary value of what that time is. So 5 minutes, 20 minutes, 10 minutes, an hour, 2 hours. And at the end, itemize the hours spent that it takes to actually sell a home. Anyway, so this is pretty cool. This kind of talks about location also. It talks about price being the number one factor, pricing guides. It talks about advertising and the marketing and how the 3 Ps, the product, the price, the promotion, all have to be in line with each other. So this is a really good book. And again, here's the idea, guys. If they get this whole package, right, they get this entire package before you meet them, there's 2 things that's going to happen. Number one is it's still in the FedEx box unopened, and then you have to go through it at the listing presentation. The second piece is that if it's opened, this book is highlighted and dog-eared, the corners are all saved, and they want to go through. That is a beautiful situation to be in. So anyway, I just want to show you what this is. 2 saddle stitch books, really nice quality. The hardbound book, this company is Cheer Trend. I'm sorry, this company is Unibind. And we had our custom design stamp logo in there. You can kind of see it a little bit. Nice and shiny, very cool. Nice, elegant, classy, thick. I'm very tactile, and it's easy for me to touch things and see if they're quality or not. But anyway, so this is really neat. So that goes in there. This goes in here. The video card, the letter, and of course we just glue this to the top of the cover, put our wax seal on it, and this is a message that you could say anything. You could say, please read this. Hey, really look forward to meeting you. Whatever you want to put, it's just a nice touch. This all clips in like this. There's little notches on there you can kind of see. Closes up, we stick that in the FedEx box, off it goes. You can either door knock it. That's a great way to do that as well, right? You could actually take this to the seller, door knock it, introduce yourself. Oh, hi, Mr. and Mrs. Jones. This is Jay. I know we have a meeting next week, but I want to drop this off. I was in the neighborhood. I thought it'd be great. But make sure you put it in a FedEx box when you drop it off, because we want that emotional feeling to happen when they open up that box. So anyway, hope you guys enjoy this. Please use it. Any questions down below, feel free to reach out to me. I'll give you all the information about where I got this and how much it costs. This entire package right now, I believe, runs me about $50 entirely with the video card. So not a bad price. Some people are concerned about sending this to a lower priced home. In my estimation, this is just my personal opinion, guys. If you're gonna spend $50 to make $200, that's a good value. If you're going to make $2,000, $3,000, $4,000, $10,000, you'll never scare somebody away with this. Just my opinion. Enjoy this. Hope you guys use it. Good luck. See you guys.